Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto Edge Plus 2023 for Boost Mobile. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. So shout out to DJ Mars 1983. He let me know about the Moto Edge Plus on Boost Mobile. So anyways, the Moto Edge Plus is now here on Boost Mobile. This is a new flagship smartphone for Boost Mobile, so if you guys are looking to get a flagship smartphone but don't want to spend over $1,000 for a flagship phone, the Moto Edge Plus is worth checking out here. So it is now available for $849.99 for 12 gigabytes of storage, and the color option is an interstellar black color option, which is very nice. So y'all guys see the phone front and back, a very nice looking phone. Y'all guys got your hole punch tab for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. On the back of your phone is the triple camera setup, camera flash, and your Motorola logo there on the back. So yeah. On the top of the phone is your speaker, noise cancellation microphone, and you do have a bit of a camera bump on the back, so be mindful of that. On the right side, like I said, power button, volume keys. On the back is your triple camera setup, camera flash, and your Motorola logo. And then on the bottom of the phone is your SIM card slot, microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. From the phone again, hole punch for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. And then there is front and back once again. So the Moto Edge Plus has a 6.7-inch display, Android 13, 50 megapixel main camera, 40 hours of talk time. Enjoy the stunning beauty and exquisite comfort of a quad curve endless edge design. Unleash your potential with the industry leading Snapdragon 8 performance. Find your edge with Moto Edge Plus. Features: curve and contour for comfort, crafted to symmetrical perfection. Moto Edge Plus is smooth to the touch and fits comfortably in your hand. Anti-glare matted glass provides a silky feel to the back, while Gorilla Glass Victus protects the borderless display from scratches and impact. So very nice there. Y'all see the back of the phone and the top of the phone. Of course, this is a flagship smartphone, so you will get the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, fastest, blazing 5G speed. Download shows in seconds, stream with less buffering, and accelerate your experience with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. Enhance connections. Strengthen your wireless connection with Wi-Fi 6E and be ready for the networks of tomorrow with Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. So that is very nice. So y'all guys get the latest and greatest Wi-Fi technology, which is really cool. Easy access to lots of space. Memory is faster and more efficient with 8 gigabytes of the latest generation DDR5. And you will have plenty of storage with 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0. There is no expandable storage on this phone, so you guys have to use a cloud service, or you get a flash drive to expand the storage on the phone. Pocket Theater for full audio visual immersion, 6.67-inch display. Watch shows and movies on a nearly borderless OLED display, 165 Hz. Gaming, scrolling, and app switching are smooth and fluid. HDR10 plus. Blacks are deeper, colors are brighter, and contrast is infinite. No pun intended. The Moto Edge Plus is also available on Boost Infinite as well. It also has Dolby Atmos. Listen with greater depth and clarity to unlock new levels of it. of emotion and your favorite music. Underwater protection. Your phone is built to withstand exposure to dust, dirt, and sand, along with submersion in shallow water for up to 30 minutes. Triple camera connectivity. Gorgeous portraits, spectacular wide shots, detailed close-ups, cinematic videos, all brought to you by a versatile triple camera system. Infinite possibilities. Capture sharp details in daylight and bright details in low light. Optical immobilization keeps your shot shake-free for crystal clear results. Brighter, broader horizon. Capture a wider view as your frame expands in 50 megapixel resolution with the ultra wide angle lens. Soft focus background. Let the 2x telephoto lens reveal beautiful facial features as you shoot portraits with a wide aperture and narrow depth of field. See yourself clearly. Low light sensitivity brings your selfie brilliance in any light, any setting. You can also record in high resolution from the rear and selfie cameras at the same time to make your reaction part of the action. Faster than ever, power up with speedy 68-watt turbo power charging, or free yourself from the cords with 15-watt wireless charging. Stay in the game. Do all the things you want to do with a powerful 5100 milliamp battery that holds it up, that holds it charged for over 40 hours. Stunning quad curve endless edge design. Experience curves on every side for beauty and comfort that's beyond compare. Unleash your phone with Ready For, which is basically Motorola's take on Samsung DeX. Connect wirelessly to a TV to play mobile games, make video calls, and use your phone's apps on a big screen. Industry-leading Snapdragon 8 performance. Experience the groundbreaking speed of Qualcomm's latest mobile platform, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Triple high-res cameras plus telephoto portrait lens. Capture brilliant photos in any light in every situation, along with naturally beautiful portraits. Borderless display plus Dolby Atmos audio. Experience a billion shades of color on a 6.67-inch OLED 165Hz display and immerse yourself in multidimensional sound. Days of battery life plus 68-watt charging. Go for over a day on a single charge and get power for the day in just 9 minutes with 68-watt turbo power charging, IP68 underwater protection. Take comfort knowing your phone is built to withstand dust, dirt, and sand, and even a quick dip in the water. Specs: 6.7-inch display, OLED Full HD Plus 165Hz display, 5100 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Android 13. The Moto Edge Plus weighs 7.2 ounces. Camera: triple high-res cameras plus telephoto portrait lens. 512 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM. It has 5G, of course, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi capable. It has Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 support, which is really cool. Dimensions on the Moto Edge Plus: 6.34 inches height, 2.91 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. It also has Moto Game Time and ThinkShield, so that is really cool. So what's included in the box is your Moto Edge Plus 2023 SIM ejection tool, 68-watt turbo power charger, which is very nice to see, Type-C to Type-C cable, and your manuals there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto Edge Plus is now here on Boost Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a flagship phone on Boost Mobile but don't want to spend over $1,000 on a flagship phone, the Moto Edge Plus is worth taking a look at here for $850. It's definitely worth every penny in my personal opinion. It looks very nice. It has great specs, great features, and yeah, it's definitely worth checking out. It's definitely worth every penny. Like I said, $850, you're getting a flagship phone. It's definitely worth it, so check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.